Hey guys, AgelessSundew75 here, and today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. For those of you that don't know, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. If you've never known that, okay, it's fine. If you're one of my friends and you do know that, great, but if you don't, there you go. So, yeah, here we go. I don't know how many of you actually know someone that can solve a Rubik's Cube. It does take some little skill, not really much, but I have been solving a Rubik's Cube for about a year now, just under a year. When I go back to school, that'll end my year, and that'll start my second year. So just for those of you that want to see it here, it's really hard because the camera is like on a little delay, so like it's blurry, but okay, this is like really hard right now. Come on. Oh, finally, I got the pattern I need. Whoa. Now, for those of you that are wondering, I have been recording some Black Ops 3. Just haven't been editing it or uploading it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.